Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, did not. The Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season. Oh, please don't ask why. No one knows what the reason, and just like nobody really quite understands what I'm wearing right now, so basically, I have a Grinch Christmas theme recipe for you guys today. Hi, I'm Annie from ketofocus.com, and I've teamed up with ChocZero to show you how to make a special fudge. We're making a sugar-free Grinch fudge. Let's get started. All right, I think this is a little bit more my style. What do you think? Well, maybe not these. But today we're making a sugar-free, keto-approved fudge, and it is a peppermint fudge made out of ChocZero's peppermint baking chips. This recipe is delicious and it's easy to make. So let's get started with our ingredients. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of golden monk fruit sweetener. You want to whisk everything together until it's combined, and then the mixture will start to bubble up. You want to cook it over medium heat for around 15 minutes. The mixture should start to thicken up. Once it looks around this consistency, you're gonna remove it from the heat and let it sit for around 15 minutes to cool before adding your chocolate. If you were to add your chocolate in now, your chocolate might just kind of curdle and get all gross and chunky looking. So wait until the mixture cools. After around 15 minutes, we're gonna stir in 2 cups of ChocZero's peppermint baking chips. You could actually use their white chocolate chips in this recipe too, and maybe even just add some food coloring if you wanted to dye it green. You're also gonna stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once your chocolate is completely melted into the mixture, we're gonna pour it into a loaf pan that has been lined with parchment paper. Then we stick it in the refrigerator to cool until it's hardened. This will take around an hour or 2 to set. Once it's completely set, you can cut on into it and enjoy your chocolate. We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and make sure you tag ChocZero with all of your photos of your Grinch fudge. Happy holidays!